James here from DragonBlogger.com. Today with a little unboxing of a new headset, headphone headset. This is from ALLCACA. It's actually spelled ALLCACA, but it is pronounced ALLCACA. This is supposed to be their new active noise canceling headset. It's supposed to take out the ambient sound and then retract it so all you hear is what's coming through the headset, which is pretty cool. As you can see, it's a black box with a silver design showing their headset. A little writing. No logo on here at all. No logo down here. The back, there's no logo. On the top, there's a logo, but unfortunately, Amazon puts a sticker over their logo. So as you can see, this is the barcode, and then the number. But active noise canceling with PC and cell phone connection and tablets. On the back, it tells us the parameters of the headphones. It is a Bluetooth version 5.0. It is working up to 10 millimeters ranges away. 80 dB signal frequency, so not too bad. It's frequency response 20 hertz to 200 kilohertz. You know, I'm not that type of person. You have to, have somebody that's in the field to know exactly all those parameters. But, they give you the rundown of it. Over here is the parameter of charge. Charging point is a micro USB to USB. It's a charging voltage of 5 volt DC. The charge current is 380 milliamps. It takes about 3 hours to charge, and it should last for about 30 hours of usage, I believe. It is a 40 millimeter diameter drivers, so you have 40 millimeter drivers in it. Down here it tells you it's a DC 3.7 lithium ion rechargeable battery, and it weighs about 6.9 grams. So let's pop it open. Pretty much, it's pretty simple. Boxes, no stickers, nothing. It comes in. We will set the box right here. Plastic, we don't need no plastic. So now I was not expecting this, but that's pretty cool. It actually has a carrying case, and now it's got their logo. Hopefully you guys can see this, ALLCACA. So it does have their logo on it. Pretty nice. Pretty, it's like a semi-hard, semi-soft shell. Definitely bigger than an eggshell that my V-Motos come in, but to give you the shell, that's pretty cool. Inside, you unzip it. Then you have a little pocket right here. In here you have the, the manual. Pretty much, tells you what I just told you. Features, what features, on and on, AF, Bluetooth, stuff like that. Tells you how to turn on the Bluetooth. Not a lot of stuff that you have to really worry about. Thank you for purchasing, being our client. If you're satisfied, give you your little review. Here is the USB cord to micro USB cord. It is probably maybe a foot long. Not a big cord. Now, like I said, this is a Bluetooth headset, but if you don't want Bluetooth, it does come with 3.5 millimeter jack to 3.5 millimeter jack, which means you can plug it into your computer, you can plug it into your phone, pretty much plug it in anything. This headset does fold, so that's pretty cool. It folds flat, but if you wanted to go back out, inside is right and left. It is like a memory foam cushion with a PU leather cover. Pretty nice. Actually, it feels pretty nice. The speakers are even cushioned. That's pretty cool. On the outside, on the right hand side is where most of your stuff is. You have your 3.0mm jack. You have your micro USB charging jack. You have your power, plus a negative for volume or music. Over here is going to be to turn it on, turn it off. If you turn it on, you have to hold it down. That is powering off. Now it's powered back off. That. Power on and off again. So that's that. Now, it is an adjustable band, which hopefully you guys can see this adjust up and down. It is padded. It's got nice little padding. So that is the ALLCACA headset. We are going to actually switch views. We're going to grab a phone. We're going to actually, you know what? We won't grab a phone. We're going to actually try to Bluetooth connect this to the computer. So if you guys give me a few, I'm going to switch views. You guys are going to see me with the device and connecting it up to the computer. Okay, now that I switched views, you guys can see, grab the headset. We have the headset. We're going to go into our Bluetooth settings and open up Bluetooth. We're going to pop that closed. We are going to add a device. So we're going to have to add a new device. We're going to click this. You know, Bluetooth devices pretty much go like this. But before you do that, we're going to close all this so you guys can see this. Click the power button, hold it for 3 seconds. It comes on, the blue light is going to start flashing red. That is where we need it. Go back to here, add a device, click Bluetooth device. It's going to start reading device. There it is, ALLCACA audio. That is what we're going to connect. We are now connected. So it is connected. It should be working. We're going to go over here. We're going to click YouTube. We're going to go to Show More. James's Reviews. Just going to grab one. We're going to grab something here. Hopefully this works. Let's find out. I'm going to put the headset on. It is on. The sound is nice and up. So the sound is good. James here. Alright. Now I killed the sound. Not too bad. Actually sounds pretty good. It actually sounds pretty good. I definitely can't hear nothing behind me. With this on, this definitely blocks out the background noise. I cannot hear anything else. It is nice, quiet, very comfy, very easy to use. So that's pretty much how you connect the ALLCACA Bluetooth headset to your computer. Now, it does have a microphone for the phone. It'll be able to. I'll be testing that out. I will also probably try and test connect it up to the computer a little more. But for unboxing and just the first connect, not bad, pretty easy. And I must say, they're pretty comfortable on the head. I'm kind of shocked. If you guys know, I use a lot of different headsets. I probably have 3 or 4 headsets sitting next to me that I always change around between earbuds and my V-Modas and some other headsets that I use. But the ALLCACA Bluetooth headset, it's actually quite comfortable. I mean, I shake my head, it doesn't move. I mean, I'm sure I could fit it a little tighter, but not bad. Very easy to set on. I feel as you could probably stay here with these on. For, you know, what it's going for, about $55, I believe. I'll leave the link in the bottom of the description for you guys. Definitely a nice headset so far. I'm not going to say it's, you know, a perfect headset. I haven't tested them. I will be getting the testing out. You guys will get a full written review of this on the Dragon Blogger site. But I thank you for checking out this little unboxing of the ALLCACA and Bluetooth connection of the ALLCACA active noise-canceling Bluetooth headset. And keep your eyes out for the written review on dragonblogger.com to come. And thank you.